We've seen what hemoglobin A1c is, the goal being less than 5%, and how diabetes prevalence has had a rapid rise in the past 60 years. But what's the evidence that this has anything to do with your health? Let's take a closer look. This is the study. It's available in the resources section in PDF format for this lesson. It was published in the Annals of Internal Medicine in September 2004. It was a prospective population study of over 10,000 adults, following them for 8 years. What the investigators found was that a hemoglobin A1c below 5% could reduce risk of premature death by up to 591%. Let's take a look at the data. So you can see optimal hemoglobin A1c is less than 5. Prediabetes starts at 5.7. Diabetes starts at 6.5. The x-axis is the categories of a person's A1c. The y-axis is the risk of death. The blue line is for men. The orange line is for women. You can see that even without having prediabetes in the so-called normal range, men are experiencing an increased risk of premature death by 25%, just with an A1c of 5 to 5.4, and for women it's 2%. This risk increases to the highest point, which is an A1c of 7 or greater for women, causes a 591% increased risk of death in women and a 238% increased risk of death in men. This is an astounding risk factor, surpassing all other risk factors we've talked about in health score, except perhaps tobacco use.